I'm Nate Sally, this is Kenny Miner from Outdoor Home, and it's time for another Backyard Smoke Show.
Okay, today we're doing a sweet and spicy sheet pan dinner. This is actually inspired by my daughter-in-law, loves to make this meal, probably does it once a week. It's very delicious. Today, life tastes better outside, so we're moving it outside. We're gonna do it in a cast iron skillet on the big green egg. So to get started, we've got sweet potatoes. One thing you want to do here, make sure when you chop this up into cubes, you want to be uniform in size so they all cook at the same rate. So we're going to dump that in a bowl. We've got some broccoli. We've got a crown of broccoli that we've chopped up, and then we've got a coarse cut on a red onion. And then last but not least, apple chicken sausage. So we're going to put all the ingredients in a bowl, and then we're going to mix this up. We're going to add some olive oil that gives our seasoning. Then we're going to add something to stick to. And today we are using a Hawaiian as kind of a sweet and spicy blend here with some pineapple called Maui Wowee. All right, we're going to mix all this together. All right, now we've got all this mixed together. We're going to take this and dump it into, this case you can do this on a sheet pan, but since we're doing this outside on the big green egg, we're going to dump it into a cast iron skillet. I'm going to just spread that out nice and even. We're going to take a little bit more of our Maui Wowee seasoning over the top. And then last but not least, we're going to hit it with some hot honey drizzler from Urban Slicer. This goes good on pizza, but it's going to go great on this as well. And I'm just going to get a nice drizzle over the top. Got our big green egg set up, locked in at 400 degrees. And just to show my setup here today, I don't have any smoking woods or anything, but I've got my convector. So we're doing indirect heat. This is an oven recipe, so we're taking the oven outside because life tastes better outside. So just set up like the middle rack of the oven. We've got our skillet with all our ingredients. We're going to set that right in place. This is going to cook for about 45 minutes until all the veggies are tender. Spent about 20-25 minutes on our sheet pan dinner here. We're going to go ahead and just give this a quick stir. It's looking pretty good. Just want our sweet potatoes to be soft. Yeah, we got about another 10 to 15 minutes and that's ready to go. So we're going to check our sheet pan dinner here. What we're looking for is make sure all the sweet potatoes and the broccoli's nice and tender, which this is perfect. That's ready to go. If you've ever wondered when I've got the gloves on, I cheat. I have cotton gloves underneath. That's why I can do hot hands and not have to just pick it up with a hot skillet. Don't try that at home unless you have those cotton gloves.
Well, this is the fun part. We get to do a little taste test. Kenny, you did all the work. You should go first.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
I'll go first. Make sure you get some broccoli, sweet potato, and the sausage and all in the same bite. Careful, it's hot.
That's amazing. Life does taste better outside. That is absolutely incredible. You are the big green egg master. You can get the recipe at ky3.com. You can also get a printed copy at Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.